I gotta say, Napoleon Dynamite forgot his beer. I'm gonna drink it later on. Check this out. This sucks because like this thing is like pretty tall. I'm 5'7". Like I don't care. Like fuck it. I wasn't blessed. I like to date taller girls. The last girl that I was dating. Here you go, Napoleon. Fucking sweet. Fucking sweet. Check it out. I like to date taller girls. The last girl that I dated was 6'3". Now mind you, I'm fucking 5'7". I don't care. Like I'm Portuguese. What can I say? So like, we'll be at the grocery store, right? And this is what a 5-foot guy and a 6'3" woman look like walking down the aisle. This is me. This is her. We're just cruising, right? Like, hey babe, how's it going? Hey, how you doing up there? I'm doing fine down here. Hey. So like, this is what we do. I like cereal. I'm a big fan of cereal. I like my Cocoa Krispies with milk. And 5'7", I can't reach. So what we do, we call this morphin time. I like to call it morphin time. Where the stance is like we're like chicken fighting, right? But like I'm on her shoulders. But get this, since I'm on her shoulders, right? I don't get the cereal. I'm like, hey babe, I want that one in the back right over there. That's what I tell her. I do that stuff. Have you ever seen a tall girl's bed? Being a 5'7" guy, it kind of looks like this bench right here. So this is the bed, and she's ready. She's ready, and she's already there. So she has to like one-step it, but I have to like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'm here. So, all right. So let's do this. Have you ever seen a 5'7" guy doing a 6'3" woman? It kind of looks like a Chihuahua fucking a Great Dane. So like, not only do I need a stepping stool to get on the bed, I need another one to be on top of her. So it's just like, yeah, like that, right? Fuck it. Like, check this out. Like, all the normal guys would be on the ground, but like I'm kicking like I'm in Great America, like enjoying tacos. Fuck tall girls. Do we have any young siblings around here? I like that. We're called little shits in the family, right? Little shits, check this out. I don't give a fuck. I have the right to be a little shit. My sister was hella mean to me once. Yeah, she was. Fucking one time. Fuck.
Get over it.
She would always tell me to get my shoes when we were out to go somewhere, right? Like, go get your shoes. Go get your shoes. I'm like, all right, for sure, I got my shoes. My little sneakers. I get my little sneakers. But I had to take a shit one time. I'm like, I'll be right there. I'll be right there. When I was small, I literally 70 pounds. So like, not only did I have to have like, this is the toilet, I had to have like a little safety seat because my ass was so small. And when I would sit down, I used to like dip inside. But for some odd fucking reason, my mom thought it was a funny joke to take out the fucking seat. So like, as I was like running to take a shit so I can hang out with my sister, I wasn't realizing that the safety seat was on the fucking toilet. So I was just like, boom, so sploosh. And so here I am, like a fucking, this thing right here, like a parabola. I don't do math. It's what a parabola would look like a V, I would say. And I don't know about you guys, but I already took a shit, and having a fucking log coming out of your ass and your butt dipping in water is not comfortable at fucking all. So luckily, I ate my fucking spinach, and I had the strength to fucking pull my ass out, and I was like, I'm cool. So I did that, and that sucks, because like they like to play tricks on me. Like my brother loves to, Super Soakers. You guys remember Super Soakers, right? You guys remember Super Soakers. I like that shit. My brother thought it was funny to fill it up with hot water for some odd reason, like I don't know. So we would like play Super Soakers. I'm like, yeah, let's play. Hey, we're gonna play some Super Soakers. Like, yeah. Fucking dumbass with like boiling hot water. Like, I got you. Like, like I don't know if you guys were ever splayed with hot water, but it's not fun because I used to live in the valley when it was like 110 degrees out. That's not good. So I'm gonna end it with this. I don't like all the Michael Jackson jokes because he was my fave. I don't like all that shit. I'm a little sad, mostly about Billy Mays, because I wanted to see the ShamWow guy and Billy Mays go at it. That would be the sickest shit. Because the first thing that I saw the ShamWow guy do was like, "You're gonna love my nuts." That's when he had me. He had me at, "You're gonna love my nuts." And it's called Slap Chop. Buy it. Thank you. I'm Emmanuel Silva. I love you guys. Sucks I had 5 minutes, but